everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a chocolate biscuit pudding. So here we go. To begin with, here I've taken 4 teaspoons of corn flour and 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Here I've taken the 3/4 cup of milk and I'm adding this to the corn flour. You have to add it gradually, not the whole at once. And now just start mixing it because we have to make it the lump-free mixture. And in a similar way, again I've taken 3/4 cup of milk and now I'm adding this to the cocoa powder. And again we have to make the slurry of it, which may not contain the lumps. So the slurries are ready. Now moving on to the next step, let's introduce few of the ingredients. And here I've taken 4 small packets of biscuits. And I've taken the butter light biscuit. You can take any biscuits of your choice, right? Next I've taken the milk compound, butter and sugar. You have to take 1 full bowl of sugar, yeah. So now we have to take 450 ml of milk, that means 3 cup of milk. You can measure it by the measuring jar. I had also done the same. And we have to give it a boil. After this, we have to add the mixture into the milk. We have to add it gradually. Add a little bit, then give it a good mix. After that, add the rest of the mixture and again give it a good mix. So you have to be a little quick while doing this process. And here I'm adding the compound chocolate to this mixture, and again we have to give it a good mix so that the chocolate could melt easily. Keep on mixing until the chocolate melts properly. And now we have to add this corn flour slurry into the mixture. Do the same as we did before. Add a little bit, give it a good mix, then add the rest, again give it a good mix, and you're going to see the change in the mixture. Next I'm adding the sugar to this mixture. ये भी हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा करके डालनी है. हाफ शुगर आप पहले डालिए, फिर अच्छे से मिक्स करिए, वापस से लेफ्ट ओवर शुगर डालिए, and again give it a good mix. At last we have to add 1 tablespoon of butter, so the butter will going to smoothen the texture. And this mixture is ready, so just keep it aside for some time. Now take the another pan and pour the cream into it. I have used the Amul's fresh cream. You can use it of any of the brand. And next we have to add the compound chocolate. I have cut the small pieces of the chocolate and now I'm adding this into the cream. Mix it with the help of the spatula. And the mixture is ready. Next what we have to do is we have to take the milk at the room temperature and dip the biscuits into it one by one, and we have to form the base layer of this pudding. As you can see, I have spread all the biscuits into the base, and you can fill the corners of the dish by adding the small pieces as I had done. Now I'm spreading the chocolate mousse on the top of them. So be gentle while doing this or else the biscuits might get crushed. You can spread it with the help of a spatula as it will make the layer look smooth. No doubt doing this process will take a little more time, but no problem, we have to be very gentle as we have to fix the layer and make it smooth. Now let's move on to the third layer. So in the third layer, again we have to form it by dipping those biscuits as we've done in the base layer. So here I'll be dipping these biscuits into the milk and I'm fixing the layer. So this is done, and again we have to form the fourth layer by spreading the chocolate mousse in a similar way which we've done before. So this part is done. Now we have to pour the final layer on the top of it. So I'm pouring this liquidy mixture on the top of this mousse. And you can see how smooth and how delicious it is looking. And finally, to make this dessert more beautiful and more crunchier, let's sprinkle the leftover crushed biscuits on the top of it. And finally, our chocolate pudding dessert is ready. Store it inside the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours so that it could fix, and then serve it into a beautiful plate or a bowl. So guys, if you like this video, then do give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also follow me on my Insta account so that you guys can get the continuous updates of my channel. Till then, bye bye.